Like I said, old bull and young bull. Old bull said, let's warm up. Old bull said, nah, man. Young bull said, fuck it, let's just do it. This so Josh Bryant, man, turned me on to this PHA training. It's called peripheral heart action training. So it's a circuit training for high intensity and strength. So we'll do a little bit of weight here and there, but at the same time we'll keep the heart rate up with weight, and then we'll just no rest. And you alternate body parts, so your upper body gets an opportunity to get the blood back in it and rest a little bit while your heart's still getting stressed by other motion. So it's kind of an interesting training. It was developed in the 60s, but it's pretty on point, so we'll do a little bit of that today.
So today we did combat functional style training, a little bit different training than you've probably seen me do in the past. We've been doing this quite a bit in the past couple of years, especially since I've retired. You know, my partner Butch, he's a police officer and a SWAT officer here in the Dallas area, so it's this training he does on a regular basis. You know, it's very beneficial to him and things he does, it works. So I started doing it because, you know, I want to be in shape for life. You know, I've been in really good shape for bodybuilding and in the gym, but you know, all the things I do outside the gym, I just want to be in shape and, you know, be fit for life and all the things I do, all the hunting, the hiking, you know, camping, this kind of thing. So I didn't want to be a typical bodybuilder who's, you know, a 270-pound slug who walks up the stairs and can't breathe. So this kind of training has been very beneficial for that. You know, I met Butch, I don't know, 15 years ago, and met him here at the gym the first time. He just moved here from Wyoming, and he grew up on a big ranch out there. So, you know, we both had a passion and love for hunting and shooting. So, you know, we hit it off. He's a big meathead in the gym, just like we were, and we love to shoot, we love to hunt. So, that was a match made in heaven as far as that goes. So. Things I like to do outside of bodybuilding. You know, I love to go camping, you know, hunt, do these kind of things. So, you know, when you're hunting in the mountains, it's very physical. You know, you're going to walk several miles a day at altitude, you know, packing your gear in, things like that. So you got to be in shape for that. So now that I'm retired, we work at least one day a weekend with this functional type training. You know, today we did farmer's walk, we did sled pull, swung a sledgehammer, we carried the Atlas stone, and we also supersetted that in with, you know, military press for shoulders and things like this. So the past 2 or 3 years since I've been retired doing this type of training, you notice a big change in my cardiovascular endurance. And even during my workouts when I'm bodybuilding, doing my bodybuilding workouts, I have more stamina even than I did previously. So it's been very beneficial.
Come on. Yeah.
today for our functional training, we started with the military press. After we warmed up, we started with the whole stack, 15 reps. From there we came out and did the sled pull for about 50 yards. From there we went to the farmer's walk. Farmer's walk, I don't know, we probably had about 450 pounds, give or take 10 pounds. From there, went to the sledgehammer. From there, we went to the Atlas stone carry. Right back into the military press, 3 rounds of that. And after about the first 45-50 seconds of this, your heart rate's up to about 150-160 beats a minute. It pretty much stays that way through the entire rotation. It never has a chance to come down. And that's the whole goal, is to get your heart rate up and keep it up. You know, it's a little bit different than bodybuilding where you take a break in between each set. There's no rest in this. You know, that's the purpose of it, is to improve your cardiovascular, improve your conditioning, and also throw in your strength training with it. So it's very hard, especially when you first start doing it. But if you stay with it long enough, you know, you start to get better at it. You get where your weights go up. You know, you get faster. You can do the rotations quicker, and your strength starts to go back up. So when you first start doing it, you know, you're not going to be as strong as you were if you're just doing a normal bodybuilding, strength training workout in the gym. But like I said, if you stay with it, your body adapts, and as you adapt, you get stronger, you get more comfortable with it, and your strength starts to go up, your cardiovascular improves. And then when you're in the gym doing your bodybuilding training, what I've noticed is my endurance is so much better, you know, because I do a hard set, and I get to rest for, you know, a minute or so, or you just snap right back, you recover really quickly, and you're ready to go. So it's actually, not only have I noticed benefits from doing this training, it's actually also it's aided my other training. You know, the way we had everything set up today went from the military press to the sled pull to the farmer's walk. The farmer's walk, you know, you're carrying 450 pounds. Then from there, you know, you got to pick up Atlas stone. So your arms are already toast. You know, your traps are on fire, your legs are burning. You know, then you got to go and pick the Atlas stone up. It weighs, I don't know, a couple hundred pounds. Pick that thing up and carry that, man. So you're toast when you get done with that rotation. And then you walk right back in and you're back on military press again. But the way it's set up though, you're not really using a whole lot of shoulder when you're doing this stuff. So by the time you get to military press, you know, yeah, you're tired, but you can still press, you know. Then you get back out here for the sled pull, you're using lower body, and then so your body gets a little bit of a break. Now you're back on the farmer's walk again, and you know, you can still do it. So actually today I got better every time on the farmer's walk as I went through. I got stronger through the workout. You know, the first set I picked it up because you know, my partner here is a young buck who don't really believe in warming up too much, so we started right off the bat with our heavy weight with 0 warm-up, which ain't the smart thing to do, especially when you're the old bull, but that's what we did. So as I got more warmed up through the workout, I actually got stronger through the workout and was able to do my performance increased. Every day post-workout, whether I'm doing my bodybuilding training or my functional strength training, you know, it's the same routine. You know, I didn't drink whey protein for years because of it used to upset my stomach. KAGED Muscle's whey protein is excellent. I talked to Kris about it. He said, give it a try. You won't upset your stomach. Because I used to drink casein protein, even though I know that's not the best protein after your workout, because it's, you know, more of a long-acting protein. But whey protein absorbs way quicker. So I tried it out, and he was right. Very easy on my stomach. Didn't upset my stomach, blow me out or anything. So take a whey protein shake as soon as I finish training. I usually eat a wicked cut stick on the way home. And then my favorite KAGED Muscle product is Hydrocharge. Today it's actually kind of a crazy day. It's cold here. You know, in May in Texas, it's in probably the 50s, which never happens. I think all previously in the week it was 85, 90 degrees. So man, you sweat your butt off in here. Hydrocharge, KAGED Muscle, it's actually got more electrolytes, more trace minerals, all these things in it. It's my favorite product they have, so I drink that stuff religiously every day after I train, no matter whether I'm doing my bodybuilding training or my strength training, you know, functional training like we did today. So that's my stack. I do it every day.